Alright, we're gonna start with example number 8. We're gonna do it prime factorizations, which is your dates to prom. So that's what we're familiar with. So we're gonna do that way first on this one. So we have square root of 75. How do we make dates out of 75?
That's 72.
You're right.
That's what you think.
Yeah. Good catch, Rose.
It looked like a true me.
Okay, so 75 is 10.
25.
25 and 2.
3.
25 and 3.
This is great.
5.
5 and 5. So we have dates, and 3 stays home. So 3 stays in our house, and 5 comes to prom, and that would be our answer. Okay, but to do our power chart method, go ahead and pull out your power chart. We can use the product rule to break apart 75. So I like to start on that, so we're on our squared column. I like to start kind of towards the bigger to make sure I get the biggest root. So I know it's going to be less than 75, so 64 would be the next one. 64 going to go into 75.
No.
49.
No.
36.
25.
25.
Yeah.
Okay?
Sometimes it's just a guessing game. Like if you don't know, just check and guess in your calculator. You'll get the hang of it. You'll start memorizing like some of these common ones.
What color is it?
So then we break apart our square root of 75 into the square root of 25 times the square root of 3. This is 5 square root 3. So you should get the same answer either way. This one I think is quicker. I learned it this way, so that's definitely what I'm more familiar with. But so then, for example, 9, I'm using cube roots. So do dates to prom, but instead of dates this time, we're going to have a third wheel with it. Okay? So it's a group of 3. You got 3 of your out pals. You're going together. So 54 divide. You still break it down the same way. You do 2 and what did you say?
27 and 2.
27.
9, 3. 3 and
And 3 and 3. So this time we have a group of 3 that gets to go to prom, and a single 2 that stays home.
Did you hear me?
So we get 3, cube root of 2. Let's do the power chart method.
So and on number 9, what is 3 called? What do we call the number 3? The index.
Yeah.
The index tells you how many's in your group to prom, right? So no more. This is like the first time you guys have ever done this, probably, because in geometry you only do dates to prom, like 2 people, right? Now we're doing like a group of 3, like you got a third wheel, or maybe none of you got dates, so you're all going as a group. So the index tells you how many is going to be in your group.
So if we're looking at our power chart, we're using the cubed part. We're using cube roots. So under that cube, we're looking for something that goes into 54. So 27. And 27 times what equals 54?
3.
2.
1.
So then we can use our power chart. It shows us the cube root of 27 is 3. And that's times 3 square root of 2. Try number 10 on your own. We did the same factor tree as earlier. So since our index is 2, that's how many are in our groups to prom. So I only need one other thing. Okay, so that means 3 and 2 stay home. Multiply what stays home, and you get 3 square root 6. But you also have this 5 in front. So multiply times 5. So 15 square root 6.
So Joe was
Joe
right,
was
and then Jace confused.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're doing power chart method.
Wait, are we playing 55?
Jace,
What's
pay
the perfect square that I can pull out of 54? Ew, why does it smell like dog food?
You're gonna get so many subscribers.
Oh,
9 times what is 54? 6.
okay. So that still gives us our 5 times 3 square root 6 and square root. Okay. On number 11, we're using our quotient rule. Okay, so this is the same as the fourth root of 162 divided by the fourth root of 16. Look at your power chart under the fourth root column. What's the fourth root of 16?
4. 2.
2.
Let's go. Top one.
That's
How can I break apart 100?
Fourth root of 18. 81. Fourth root of 18 and 2.
18 and then 2.
81 and 2. 81 and 2. Is that the wrong one?
Jason, I'm going to stop listening to you.
I have it right on my paper, so.
So what column were you looking in for this?
the
fourth.
We should have been in the fourth column. So we find that 162 divides by 81, which means we can break that apart into fourth root of 81 times the fourth root of 2.
What's the fourth root of 81? So that fourth root of 2 stays, and you still divide by 2. If we were doing our dates to prom, we would have 162. How can I break out 162?
81 and 2.
Yeah.
81 and 2.
99.
And the index of number 11 is 4. So that's how many we need in our group. So we have
We have a
4
double
threes.
dates.
Yep, we got a double date group. So those can come out. And 2 stays home.
It wouldn't be 3, it would be
No, but
Oh my God. Who's the teacher?
the fourth root of 81 is 3.
It's 3. So that's what comes out. It represents the whole group.
3s.
No, it's not sets of 3s. It's a group of 4. That's you guys. That's a common mistake. It's not 2 pairs of 3 anymore, right? Are we finding dates to prom?
No.
No, we're not finding dates to prom. We're finding groups of 4 to prom. So you didn't have dates, so you found a few friends, and there's 4 of you going in the limo together. So how many groups of 4 are there? 1, 3. So there's 1 3 in front to represent the group of 4. Fourth root of the 2 that had to stay home.
Just like for the denominator. For the denominator, 16 breaks into 4 2s.
So how many groups of 2 is that?
2.
No. 4.
There's only
They're 2s.
one group of 2 going to prom. So 2 is just like the denominator.
2 different numbers.
Alright, that was so much fun. We're adding variables in there now. Okay? So we're just going to start with our first example. So we have x to the 4th. So if I was doing a factor tree, I could bring this into x squared and x squared. Since the index is 2, we have our dates and that can come out. So it's a perfect square. So x squared would be our answer.
It's a perfect square, right? What's x squared times x squared? So x to the square root of x to the 4th is x squared. It undoes it.
On this one, remember our product property, the square root, we can break it apart. So we have the square root of 25 times the square root of x to the 6th. So the first one, square root of 25, like
Five.
fourth grade.
Well,
5.
X to the third.
And how do you get x to the third?
Because X to the third together makes it 6.
Yep. So if I have x to the third times x to the third,
You add the
we add our exponents. So that becomes x to the 6.
So can you pull that out, those two out?
Yep. That would be our answer.
So X,
So they both get to go to prom.
and 5 is in that?
Nope, it gets. Yep. Not right now. So example 3 gives us a fifth root. We haven't done fifth roots, I don't think yet. So the fifth root of 32.
That's 2.
Times the fifth root of x to the 15th times fifth root of y to the 20th. So go to your powers chart. Go to the fifth root column. 32 a perfect fifth root.
yes.
L, what is it? 2. Okay. Now do x to the 15th. Try to break that into 5. Can I get 5?
No.
A group of 5 to go to prom?
Nope.
Remember it. Remember x to the 15th is x, 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 x. 15 times, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I need groups of 5 to go to prom. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why did you want to go? Okay,
Exactly.
so I have 3 groups of 5. So what gets to go to prom?
X to the 5th, 3rd.
How many groups? The answer is how many groups there were. So
Y
X
to the
cubed.
We're doing X to the
Then y to the 20th.
4.
4.
We're gonna learn the pattern.
Okay. Are you guys noticing a pattern at all between our index? Our index and what we do to our exponent on the inside? You divide. So 20 divided by 5 gave us our 4. Okay. Try example number 5 on your own. Our last one, remember our order. So we have 2x on the inside. So let's take our square root of it first. So that will give us 2x to the, remember, take our index, our exponent on the inside, and divide it by the index. And make it to the 4th. And the whole thing being times to the 4th. So I can distribute that 4th to each of them. So 2 to the 4th is? Now if it doesn't come out evenly, it's just like our normal dates to prom. If I give you a different kind of date to prom and there's someone that had to stay home, it's the same concept when there's a group. So the square root of 16 gives us
4.
the square root of p to the 8th, p to the 4th. And the square root of q to the 7th.
Oh, you got to
Oh,
say.
to the 3.5.
Okay, so
That's not
that breaks into q to the 6th and q by itself. So someone stays home and they get to go outside. So q to the 3rd gets to go to the prom. And then square root of q.